and he calls the pilots into Phoenix formation. Now you'll see Reds 4, 5, 8 and 9 on the wings, move the lead Reds 2 and 3, as Reds 6 and 7 move to their opposite sides in Phoenix. Leading the team is Red 1 squadron leader David Montenegro. It's his third and final year as the team leader. He's a former Hawk flying instructor and Tornado F3 air defence pilot. First joined the team back in 2009, flying until 2011 and leading the Synchro pair. He then rejoined the team after being an instructor on the Tucano to come and lead the team for the 15, 16 and 17 season. So now more red, white and blue in Phoenix.
Ow. Listening. Ow. Torbay.
Reds 8 and 9 with the coloured smoke will now pitch up to Torbay to the very back of the formation to form the shape of an aircraft. Specifically the Spitfire. I'll talk more about that very shortly. On the leader's right wing is the first of our new pilots this year. He is Red 2, pilot Torbay. Toby is a former Tornado GR4 pilot. Recently he's been flying. More recently, Toby's been instructing on the Hawk Mark II, the new version of this aircraft, which is a very computer-driven aircraft, much more relevant to the training for the fourth and fifth generation aircraft the Royal Air Force will be using. The smoke's on to the right in the shape of Spitfire, and the stroke this year to celebrate the 60th anniversary of the Royal Air Force's Battle of Britain Memorial flight. The two aircraft, the Hurricane and the Spitfire you saw flying earlier. To commemorate their 60th anniversary, we're now flying the Spitfire roll. Upside down now, all 9 jets together in that aircraft shape, 2,500 feet. The closest parts of the jets in the front there are around 6 feet away from each other. On the leader's left wing is the other of our brand new pilots. He is Rep 3, Pilot Dan Lennox. Dan is a former Typhoon pilot. His background is solely on the Typhoon. More recently, he's been on the